Did you know that there's a delicious snack inside your pumpkin? It's the seeds.
To roast pumpkin seeds, first separate them from the guts. Put them into a strainer and rinse them well. Pour them into a dish. Add water. Pour some salt into the water and stir. Let soak for 30 minutes. Preheat oven to 300 degrees. Blot excess water off of the seeds. Place seeds on a baking tray. Sprinkle on seasonings if you want to. Bake for 45 minutes. Remove them from the oven to stir them every 15 minutes. Remove them from the oven and let them cool. So delicious and healthy.
Follow for more family-friendly content. Happy Halloween!